Hello everyone. Welcome to our reading time. Today we have a fun story about a very hungry little mouse. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 1, The Hungry Mouse. Oxford Reading Circle Book 1. It is a hot day. Mr. Mouse is hungry. He wants some food. He looks here. He looks there. He looks and looks. He cannot find any food. The days pass. Mr. Mouse is thin. Mr. Mouse is thinner. A month passes. Still, there is no food. Mr. Mouse is very, very thin. I am very thin, thinks Mr. Mouse. I must eat something. Mr. Mouse goes down the path. He sees a basket of corn, with a thick cloth on top. There is a hole in the basket. Mr. Mouse goes in the hole. Mr. Mouse is very thin. Mr. Mouse eats the corn. He eats and eats. I'm full, he says. He does not stop. He eats and eats. Mr. Mouse is not thin now. Help, he shouts. I can't get out. Mr. Rat comes by that way. Mr. Rat says, Mr. Mouse, get thin. Then you can come out. Exercises. A. Read aloud. Still. Stop. Spot. Spill. Best. Past. Gasp. Wasp. Slow. Sleep. Small. Smile. Score. Scare. Skill. Skull. Snow. Snail. Square. Squeeze. Oxford Reading Circle 1, Revised Edition. Chapter 1, The Hungry Mouse. Exercise. A. Answer the following. 1. What is the day like? Answer. It is a hot day. 2. What is Mr. Mouse looking for? Why? Answer. He is looking for food because he is very hungry. 3. What passes? Answer. The days and a month pass. 4. How long does Mr. Mouse wait for food? Answer. He waits for a whole month. 5. What does Mr. Mouse find? Answer. He finds a basket of corn with a hole in it. 6. What happens to Mr. Mouse? Answer. He eats so much corn that he gets fat and gets stuck inside the basket. 7. What do we learn from the story? Answer. We learn that we should not be greedy. C. Put the following in the correct order. 1. He finds a basket. 2. He cannot get out. 3. It is a hot day. 4. He climbs in the hole. 5. He gets fat. 6. Mr. Mouse is hungry. 7. He eats and eats. 8. Mr. Mouse looks for food. Exercise C. Answer. Correct order, 1 to 8. 1. It is a hot day. 2. Mr. Mouse is hungry. 3. Mr. Mouse looks for food. 4. He finds a basket. 5. He climbs in the hole. 6. He eats and eats. 7. He gets fat. 8. He cannot get out. D. The letters in these words are jumbled. What are the animals? Answer unjumbled animal names. 1. GROF frog. 2. SUMOE mouse. 3. Tar rat. 4. Toga goat. 5. REBA bear. 6. KENMOY monkey. E. Put in the missing letters to make word from the story. 1. B blank blank K blank T. Answer is B A S K E T. 2. P blank blank H answer is P-A-T-H. 3 blank blank M blank S answer is C-O-M-S-E. 4 C blank blank N answer is C-O-R-N.